Well, hey guys, welcome to another episode of Shop Dog Fabrication. So today is a quick little tip or trick on how to find where exactly your header leak is coming from. On the Dart here, I've got a header leak. I just got it back together for the second time, and I didn't get the header sealed up on the driver's side. So what can you do to try to find exactly where your header leak is coming from if you don't know where it's coming from? Is it a crack in the header? Is it you didn't get it sealed up good? Is it driver, passenger side, right? That kind of thing. So some simple vacuum tube will help you figure out where your vacuum leak is coming or your exhaust leak is coming from. Let me set up the camera here, and I'm not going to have the car running because it'll be just too loud. But I will kind of walk you through what I do and how you can pick up the noise. And you'll obviously, I can't really put the noise in here, but I'll explain it to you in just a moment. Hang tight. Let me get the camera set up. All right, guys. So what you do is simply you leave the two ends open, put one end up to your ear, and take the other end, and you just take it around the headers, like so. Okay, all you got to do is move it around, and what you'll hear or listening for is like static almost. So you know, here I didn't hear anything, but once I got over to here, I started hearing static, almost like a fuzzy staticky type sound. It's about the best way I can describe it, guys. And then as I moved over here, I didn't hear anything. So basically my exhaust leak is coming from this top area of the header. So what I'm going to need to do is disconnect the exhaust down below, take the 6 bolts out, take the header off, right? Or at least move it out of the way, clean all the silicone back off. I just use copper silicone. So obviously I didn't put enough up there, and I didn't get good squeeze. I did let it sit overnight. You know, it says to put it on, you're supposed to just like snug it a little bit so it starts to squeeze. Stop, let it sit up for an hour, and then you're supposed to tighten up the bolts the rest of the way, which is what I did, but apparently I didn't put enough on. So to help you find where an exhaust leak is coming from, yeah, like I said, a bad header, a cracked header, you know, or you didn't have a good exhaust seal, basically take some vacuum tube, put, like I said, one end up your ear, the other end, move it around, and you'll listen for a staticky sound. So I hope this little tip or trick helps you guys with trying to find where your exhaust leak is coming from. So now I'm going to let this thing cool down and fix the exhaust leak. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, hit the little bell as it's safe for future content. Y'all have fun. Have a great day in your shop. Take care.